Krishna, the supreme God, Lord of the universe. Many names praise him: Allah, Jehovah, Buddha, Rama, Bhagavan. Infinite are his forms and pastimes. 50 centuries ago, he spoke to his disciple Arjuna in the midst of battle. His immortal words, Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God.
Similarly, we have to inject this medicine because the world is suffering from a great disease. And that disease is causing the destruction of the whole world.
What is the disease?
The disease is that everyone is trying to get more and more sense gratification for himself. Therefore, there is this great conflict going on in the world between man and between country and country.
Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Bhagavatam samasitam Buddha sundaram Kandar agom dikamaniya Visesha shobha. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami.
Love you to purify my mind from the dirt that I can't find. It's true. Love you, Krishna, love you. I got to give up all these thoughts that keep me locked in the mental vaults. They do. Keep on thinking of you. When I'm thinking of ways life's full of happy days with you. Love you, Krishna, love you.
Natural position. Cow is the mother because she provides milk, which we use as a mainstay of our diet. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. And the bull is like the father because he tills the field, produces grain.
Hare Krišna, Hare Krišna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krišna, Hare Krišna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
chanting Hare Krishna mantra, one will understand that he is not this body. By chanting Hare Krishna mantra, we shall immediately come to the state of joyful life. And this is called liberation.